And now it's time for another Wellness 101. How to train for a 5K, presented by St. Luke's University Health Network. So, you've decided to run a 5K, but you're not quite sure how to start. 3.1 miles seems like an awfully long way all of a sudden, doesn't it? Try to stay calm, you've come to the right place. We'll have you celebrating at the finish line in just 5 steps. However, it's extremely important to consult your St. Luke's physician before starting any running program. Step 1. Get the proper gear. Probably the single most important investment when training for any running race is a good pair of running shoes. It's important to visit a store that specializes in running shoes, and not just a sporting goods store. The experts at the running store know how to find the best shoe to fit your foot and stride. Remember, function over form. Other pieces of gear to consider are moisture-wicking shirts, socks, shorts, and that includes underwear. The last thing you want to be doing is running several miles a week in clothes that chafe and scratch your skin. Talk about uncomfortable. Step 2. Use a training schedule. The average runner can be ready for a 5K in just 6 to 9 weeks, depending on the training schedule they're using and their physical fitness level. The idea being that during the hectic work week, you concentrate on running every other day for a dedicated period of time, not miles. Then, on the weekend, when you have a little bit more time, you switch your focus to miles and run for as long as it takes to cover the mileage you've set for yourself. On your non-running days, consider some form of strength training to help prevent injury. And allow yourself 1 to 2 days of rest to recover. Here's an example of a 6-week training schedule developed and endorsed by St. Luke's own super athlete, John Graham. Step 3. Slow and steady wins the race. When starting out, you can easily hurt yourself if you push yourself too hard too fast. Consider beginning your run with a 5-minute walking warm-up to prepare your body for the run ahead. After your warm-up, and depending on your fitness level, try running for just 20 seconds and then walk for the remainder of a minute. And then repeat this until you complete your daily assignment. As you get stronger, you can begin to walk less and run more. Try running for 2 minutes and walking for 1. As time progresses, you may find yourself running the whole time. Or you may still do some kind of combination of run-walking, even on race day. Regardless of how you do it, remember the only thing that matters is crossing that finish line. Lastly, remember to finish with a 5-minute walking cool-down to bring your body back down to reality. After your walk, consider stretching to promote flexibility. Step 4. Fuel your body. Your workouts are fueled by the food you eat each day, so be sure to eat a balanced diet and drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Think of your body in terms of a car. If you put dirty fuel in the tank, it's just not going to run right. Same goes for your body. Try eating smaller meals of fruits, veggies, and lean protein to help keep your body running strong. Step 5. Live in the moment. What you've set out to do can be life-transforming, so you might as well enjoy the ride. Take pride in the fact that you're going to run a 5K. Try not to look at training as a task, but more as an opportunity to better yourself each and every day. As for race day, remember to have fun out there. You've worked extremely hard to get here, so enjoy it. High-five the crowd as you run by. Hug your family and friends when you see them on the course. And take lots of pictures so you can immortalize your accomplishment. Folks, for those of you who are still on the fence about running your first 5K, I say get out there and do it. There's no time like the present, and I think you'll find you'll be pleasantly surprised with the results. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Wellness 101 episodes. Until next time, this is Mr. Wellness saying be well and follow the steps to a healthier you.